I'm Jonathan from the Fusion team, and we're here today at AU, the Design and Make Conference 2023. I lead a team to design, develop, and manufacture a consumer product on the Fusion platform every year for this event. We work with our partners to machine, finish, and develop the product that you're going to see here at the end. People come through this tour, they learn about the process, they go from partner to learn about their machines, how their products work with our products, and then at the end they get a full kit that they will be able to assemble themselves and take this consumer product home with them. Let me show you what we're doing. First stop on the tour is SMEC. They brought their giant, amazing CNC lathe that can cut basically any kind of part with radial symmetry. So think something like a chess piece or, in our case, a knob. They're making these aluminum knobs that have set screws built into them and some really nice features. Next we have Datron with the NEO. Now the NEO is a 3-axis CNC machine that also has a 4th-axis option. Datron's able to run their machine at incredibly high speeds with incredibly high precision. So they're mass customizing the keycaps for us. After that, we've got Formlabs. Formlabs brought their Auto, which allows you to print a part, and the Auto grabs that part, puts it in a bin, and it just keeps going all night long. So you can do lights out manufacturing with their machine. Next we have Haas with their 5-axis CNC mill. They're doing the aluminum enclosures for this project. Their machine runs incredibly fast and keeps very high precision. Next we have Renishaw. Renishaw does all the validation for everything that's going on here. Within Fusion 360, you can run a probing program to check the quality and the precision of the part that just came off the Haas machine, and you can feed that information back into Fusion and improve your part and get your quality up as you go. Next we have Xometry. Xometry is a service bureau that connects you through their amazing app that links to Fusion 360 to manufacturers all over the world. They produced all the production parts for the project we're doing this year. Lastly, Big Bear AI is showing Pro Model, which is their product that gives you a digital twin of your factory that lets you combine information about machines with manufacturing processes and production. We had a great time this year. The product is really cool. People seem to really like it. So thanks for coming.